Hello, YouTubers. Hi. Just don't bug this thing back here. He's a little creeper. But I still love him so much.
Boom.
Lost my worm.
She called me a creeper.
So, you showed me something this past week.
Yes, I did.
And I got it in the mail yesterday.
Yep. It's actually kind of cool.
Yeah. So I wouldn't have found it if you didn't show me. And
Nope.
it was kind of an instant buy.
Yep.
Because Lucky Charms is one of my favorite cereals.
It's a good cereal.
Yeah. I love Lucky Charms. I could just eat the marshmallows and screw the others.
I guess you can say it was a lucky find.
I suppose.
You suppose?
Yeah.
I suppose you're right.
Yeah. Well, you want to show them what they look like? I need help.
Boink, boink, boink. Lucky Charms stuffs.
Yep. I think it came with brushes, but this collection didn't send me the brushes, but it wasn't in the order.
Oh, that's good. As long as it's... I thought you was missing something.
Yeah, when I got it in, I was like, shouldn't they come with the brushes or something? And I went back in the order and wasn't in the...
Wasn't in the list.
Yeah, it's like, okay. I don't have to worry about bugging them. But
Yep.
this collection is from MORPHE.
Mm-hmm.
And I think a lot of people don't really support MORPHE. I think of the James Charles or whatever his name is. I don't keep up with him.
Me neither.
All I know, he's a YouTuber and he's got makeup line or something with MORPHE.
Ah.
Other than that, I don't keep up with him.
Yeah. Here you go, honey.
Thank you. So this is the eyeshadow palette. This is what the front looks like. This is what the back. Yes.
Not quite identical to the box.
Yeah, the box is on the back. It's just got
Yeah.
more information about the palette. Well, this is what the shadows look like. I only watched one video of it yesterday, and I think she says she wished they had more of a pastel colors to it.
So yeah, they're pretty colors.
Yeah, and they're still pretty colors, but I can get where she's coming from.
Yeah.
You want to swatch one?
Let's see.
Yeah, I was eyeballing that blue.
Was ya?
Yeah.
It's too glittery. It's not really that pigmented.
No. And it looks pastel on the arm.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. There we go.
I don't know what the red looks like. I always like the reds and the orange too. Do they have names?
Yeah.
Yeah. The red's balloons, the orange is you're in luck.
The blue moon. You can tell she's a professional.
You know, the red's picking up real good.
Yeah.
But I don't know how it is blending. Looks like it's blending
Okay.
alright. But that's just with my fingers.
Probably get better blend with a brush, just saying.
Oh, yeah.
I saw a unicorn, I had to go for it.
Yeah, I was just double lucking.
That's a good luck for a little bit of a shimmer.
Yeah, it would be good as a highlight.
I can't really see it that well on the arm.
I am interested in imagination. That's kind of a maroony color. Yeah, that's pigmented.
Yeah, wow.
I don't know if I want to keep this box or not.
Eh.
Yeah. Thanks for making it come on.
You're welcome.
But
I'm doing my job.
thank you. Do the pencils. Yeah, these are pencils. Come with 6 pencils. I think I'll keep the pencils in here in the box.
Keep them organized.
Yep. Oh. The pencils has like the marshmallows on it. If I can. We're not picking up really good. Yeah. You want to swatch one?
Think.
Take a look at the orange one.
Purpley.
Well, orange seems pretty bright.
It's got a glitter to it.
It does, don't it? That's pretty. Let's see here. That's what the red one looks like. They're all just pencils. And green. Green looks glittery.
Yeah. I guess because it's magical.
Magically delicious.
Yep. I forgot that was a thing.
Yeah, I think the blue one's kind of a metallic glue. Yeah.
Neato.
Awesome sauce. Just a box.
The sauce is awesome. There you go.
Woohoo! Next is the lip gloss. Lip gloss. Lip gloss.
Lip glossy. This is the birthday, y'all.
You turning Irish on me, buddy.
I'm turning Irish.
Yeah. Well, you got Irish in you anyway, don't you?
I do. Ta-ding!
Now this is the lip gloss. I like it. It's very simple and clean, huh?
Simple and clean. That's the name of a song on Kingdom Hearts.
It is, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
I played that game just to listen to that song.
I love that song. That's how I found Utada.
In case you didn't know, that's my favorite game. I love Kingdom Hearts.
Marshmallow.
Yeah, the name of it's Marshmallow Charm. Smells just like the freaking cereal.
That'll mean you eat it now.
Didn't say nothing about sticking it in my mouth.
You're a nut.
You don't taste like a nut. I'm not salty right now.
She's in heaven. I have a feeling she's gonna be using that lip gloss a lot.
Tastes like the cereal too.
Mm-hmm. That's dangerous. Tastes like the milk from the cereal.
Want more?
No, I'm okay.
Oh, I want some.
That tube's gonna be empty by tonight.
We'll give it a big tops.
Yeah, she'll go buy some more.
I don't like Lucky Charms.
I can tell. You absolutely despise it.
Yeah. I'm so excited to use the big duct.
Can't tell.
So excited to use I'm not in a good mood.
Nope, not at all.
So sad.
Oh, okay, I'll take this back then. Or I won't.
Good luck getting into my account. Love you.
Love you.
I don't know how everybody else feels about that because I really watch most videos, maybe like one or two. But I'm excited over Lucky Charms makeup.
I mean, you can't go wrong with Lucky Charms.
Yeah. So, I have nothing else to say.
I don't have anything to say.
You know?
No. Except just magically delicious.
Yes. Alright. So we kind of wanted to do a
Thingamabob.
thing.
Ta-dong! Do that again. I'm sorry, I'm a nut.
I was gonna say you need to say I was not. I swear. Alright, I guess that
concludes.
yeah. This video.
Hmm.
And we will see you later.
Bye.
Bye.